I don't know what night it is. It's a great night though. Being a programmer is awesome. I just went through a series of problems that I had no solution. I couldn't figure out how to solve them. And then it came to me. Came to me over dinner. Figured it out. Implemented the code changes. And oh my God, it works. Now, this is a complicated system of systems. Some microservices. It's a desktop client. It either works or it doesn't work. And if you don't do it right, you get locked out of everything. It is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I am so thrilled how well it works. The high is insane. When you're a programmer and things work, oh my God. The high is the high that you just totally get. It's insane when things finally work. Software can be so addictive. It's better than any sport you've played. It's better than so many things you've ever done in your life when it works because you did it. It was excruciatingly hard. It was mental anguish and the endorphin rush and release. Ooh, you get. Yeah, that is what you live for when you're writing code. I know it's a geek and nerd thing, but yeah, that is what you live for when you write code. Anyway, I'm going to go back and make my next iterations. I'm thrilled. I'm on a roll. And if you're a programmer, this is the sort of high you can get if you really love what you do. And I really love writing code. I really love solving problems with software. And I took on a task just for the fun of it. And it was brutal. And it was put me out of my comfort zone. And I did it. Take care.